Pillars of Islam Congregational Prayer. Though Muslims pray 5 times a day, and it is reminded in the Quran and the Hadith, again and again, to offer to pray in the mosque, but if someone misses congregation, he may offer to pray individually as well. But there is a prayer of Jumma which is offered at mosque only. No one can offer it individually. According to the Holy Quran. O ye who believe! When the call is proclaimed on Friday, the day of assembly, hasten earnestly to the remembrance of Allah and leave off business, that is the best for you if ye but knew. The Jumma, or Friday, prayer is obligatory to offer on every adult male. For Jumma prayer, it is better to prepare ourselves according to Sunnah. It is better to take a bath, wear new clothes and use some fragrance as well. Though Jumma prayer is obligatory only for Muslim adults to offer in the mosque, in some mosques the place is made reserved for Muslim women also to join the Jumma prayer. In Jumma prayer, there are 2 azans, call for prayers. After the first azan, it is better to stop all our daily life activities and to join the other Muslims at the mosque. After first azan, the Imam delivers a speech that is commonly done in regional language. After that, the second azan is called and then people offer sunnat prayers. Then Imam delivers the sermon, which is an essential part of the Jumma prayer. The listening of khutbah or sermon is wajib for every Muslim. During sermon delivery, no talk, recitation of the Holy Quran and offering any prayer is strictly prohibited. The sermon of Jumma prayer mainly consists of the teachings of the Holy Quran and Hadith. After the sermon is delivered, the people gathered inside the mosque offer 2 rakat fars as Jumma prayer. They offer it behind an imam, as Friday prayer can't be offered without imam. After that, imam and followers raise hands for dua. After dua, the remaining prayer is offered, which is 4 rakat sunnat, 2 rakat sunnat and then 2 rakat nafil. It should also be kept in mind that there is no qaza of Jumma prayer. If someone misses it, he will have to offer zur prayer instead of Jumma prayer. Travelers, women, slaves and sick are exempted from offering Jumma prayers.